This gorgeous guinea pig has just arrived into rescue and she is so adorable. She just loves chin rubs. You can see how easy this is to do by holding your forefinger and thumb together such that you're able to then rub underneath the chin, literally where the jawline is. And she slowly raises her head up where she absolutely enjoys the attention. Guinea pigs really love this and it's a great way to get to know them. But it's also important that you don't try it under about 5 to 6 months of age because they're very young and at that time they're still trying to work out what is food and you're likely to get a nip at that time. So from about 5 to 6 months onwards, this is when you can try chin rubs. You can see how adorable she is, and once her head is elevated, she absolutely still loves having her chin stroked underneath her. How gorgeous is she? She came in a little bit underweight and we're just checking her out here before we take her through to the shelter, but she's enjoying the little bit of sunshine and the cuddles and attention. What a sweetie, hey? Look at those piggy lips. This is one of the features piggy lovers enjoy the most, is just how adorable their little features are. You can see she's not trying to nip or bite in any way, but she's absolutely loving the attention. This little lady also has a few features on her front paws. And if we take a look, I can show you. You'll notice on the very first paw, we have what we call a foot spur. It looks almost like an extra toe, but it's not. It's made of keratin, it's very solid and has no blood supply. So we could easily just trim this back with a pair of clippers to where it is against the foot. This will continue to grow from time to time, and again, you treat it like you do toenails and simply clip it back. Be careful as you get back closer to the edge of the foot that you don't cut into the blood supply area, which would be very painful. When foot spurs occur, they are on the front paws of the feet, and it's also symmetrical, so you'll find that on the left side and the right side there will be foot spurs present that both need attention. They come from the inner pad of the paw and they curl around, and often until you pull them away you won't even notice they're there. It could look like a little bit of dirt. But check your piggy's paws out now and see if they need any attention. This little girl's being really adorable and agreeable with her grooming. So as an example of how to treat the paws, we've just shown you what to do with foot spurs. We'll come back and do her nails a little bit later, but for now, let's just give her a few more cuddles and appreciate how gorgeous she is. What a beautiful, beautiful guinea pig. Welcome to Cavy Central.